How have migration and diaspora influenced language use in Southeast Europe? If you're curious about how migration and diaspora have shaped the way people communicate in Southeast Europe, you're about to uncover some fascinating insights. Migration and diaspora have significantly impacted language use in this region. Let's start with the basics. When people move from one place to another, they bring their languages with them. In Southeast Europe, this has led to a diverse linguistic landscape. One key aspect is the influence of diaspora communities. Many countries in Southeast Europe, such as Bulgaria, Croatia, Romania, and Slovenia, have large diaspora populations living abroad. These communities often maintain strong ties with their countries of origin, which includes preserving their native languages. For instance, governments in these countries have implemented programs to promote cultural and language heritage among their diasporas. This includes language acquisition programs, cultural events, and even extending political rights to those living abroad. These initiatives help keep the languages alive and vibrant, even outside the borders of the home country. Migration patterns have also introduced new languages into the region. With increased globalization and mobility, people from different parts of the world have moved to Southeast Europe, bringing their languages with them. This has resulted in a more linguistically diverse population, with many people speaking multiple languages. The linguistic integration of migrants is a complex process. It's not just about learning a new language for practical communication. It's also about building and maintaining cultural identities. Languages play a crucial role in this, as they are often tied to a person's identity and cultural background. Migrants may choose to use their language of origin in certain social situations while adopting the majority language in others. In some cases, this integration leads to the creation of new dialects or the blending of languages. For example, in regions with significant migration, you might find people using a mix of their original language and the local language in everyday conversations. Additionally, the economic contributions of diaspora communities can also influence language use. Remittances and business investments from diasporas can support educational programs that include language training, further reinforcing the use of native languages among diaspora communities. In summary, migration and diaspora have enriched the linguistic landscape of Southeast Europe by introducing new languages, preserving native languages among diaspora communities, and fostering a culture of multilingualism. This complex interplay of languages reflects the region's dynamic history and its ongoing connections with the global community.